use those songs in ads.
Is that allowed?
I don't know, man. What are we doing, Kevin?
Hey?
What are we doing?
We are standing in the last minute line for The Dead Don't Die. And my question is, do the dead die if they're not dead to die?
They're already dead, so they can't die.
Yeah, but then how can they walk if they're dead? They're animated.
They are they animated?
I don't know. I'm just speaking in prose.
Cool. Caden, we're close.
We're about to go walk on the red carpet, get my shoes touched by some red couture. We're basically famous now. That's what's happening.
Oh, what's your name? What? Who's Constance.
N-S-T.
Oh, like Constance.
Yeah.
Constance. Is that how you say it, right?
Kaylin,
Jakub.
Okay.
this is our new friend, Constance.
Hi.
We are going to go watch The Dead Don't Die. Bonjour.
Merci.
Which way do we go?
Or maybe like this, I don't know, because this is for France.
Is that for
Plus
yeah, you need-
33.
Okay. So did
That's for France. No, I'm on.
leave?
I'm studying.
Oh, you still?
Medicine.
Oh, medicine.
So that's why I'm.
Oh, wow.
Doing work. Oh, you're studying.
Yeah, I study.
You're studying, okay. In the
Because
queue.
my exams are next week.
Oh, wow. Okay, so we just saw The Dead Don't Die. Okay, spoiler-free review.
I enjoyed it like a little bit. Then it just got.
You enjoyed it a little bit?
Yeah, it got too meta. It was like Deadpool combined with like 12-year-old girl talking about society kind of thing.
Okay, so it's definitely a zombie movie.
Is it?
It definitely is, but it's like wrapped up in a different kind of thing.
Yeah.
It's trying to tell you something.
It's cool. It's cool. I just
It's
didn't like
very
the
cool.
ending at all. But
I loved it.
The rest of it.
I loved it. The rest, like in the middle, I didn't like it, but then towards the
You
ending,
like the middle?
I didn't like the middle.
I like the middle.
No. The middle was so silly. No. There's one thing, and you know what it is that just sold it for me. Near the end, where the two cops are talking, that just like I was like, cool, man. If that's the kind of movie this is, cool.
Yeah, you gotta just accept it. I think Jim definitely wanted to say something.
Yeah, Jim, because you know him.
Yeah, you know me and
Jim Jarmusch.
South Africa loves you, Mr. Joe.
Jarmusch, dude. Just watch it.
I don't think this will ever come to South Africa. You're gonna have to stream this or something.
Yeah.
But it was cool going to a premiere. We made a friend. I don't know where she is.
Constance, she said goodbye to me, but you left, so.
Yeah, Constance. She was a
But-
constant in our lives.
For like 2 hours. All right.
It was cool.
Yeah. All right, cool, man.
Put your bow bow.
So these are some of the challenges we face on the continent. And yesterday I put it to my beautiful South African lady there. There is some cooperation, but again, not enough. Which is why at the beginning of this I said we are open, but we are also here to listen. So we are selling to you that come to Ghana, talk about Ghana, come work with Ghanaians. We have trained people, we have equipment.
We're gonna try to see Rocket Man. I don't know if you can hear it. That's why the phone is so close. I'm sorry. It's very close, but we're gonna try to see it.
Rocketman!
Damien Bachir et Rezou Sanchez, productrice également de la série Grand Hôtel. On a de la gomme sur le grand écran du Palais. Avec eux également le réalisateur Luc Jacquet. Eliane Vitali, qui approche le village, la jeune fille de l'eau, Spider-Man 3.
Hey Kale. How's it going?
It is mudder cold. It is very, very cold. My ears are frozen. My nose has sickles in the inside. We are getting breakfast at Lumiere Theater.
That means welcome.
Okay, we're getting breakfast at home. Getting breakfast at home. I'm not joking, that's the name. I ordered eggs and bacon for Olaf de Bukker. Yeah, we're just having breakfast here outside, and we're gonna see how the day goes. Yeah, hopefully we have some good stuff to show you later. Bonjour. Bonjour. We're going to a premiere now for a TV show called Too Young to Die Old. Or Too
By
Young
Nicholas
to Die
Winding
Old.
Refn. Too Old to Die Young.
With Miles Teller. And we're going like 6 hours ahead of schedule to make sure we're like first in line.
Because there's a I think we'll make a separate video about this, but there's a last minute queue and then there's a normal invitations queue. And we don't have invitations, so we're gonna go try get into the last minute.
But we did get 3 invitations each today to 2 premieres and 1 normal movie next week, which is pretty cool.
Next week, yeah. So we'll be using those.
Yeah.
But for now, we're doing whatever it takes to get into the screening, because it's the only screening. And they're gonna show 2 episodes of the show that's only coming out in a few months, I think.
Yeah, so we'll give you a review of what we think. A review of Elton John, of Rocket Man. That was a good movie, we watched that today. Rocket Man was just, what do you think, man? It was beautiful.
It's what Bohemian Rhapsody wishes it was.
Yeah, that's much better than, that should be called Bohemian Kick the Acidy movie. That's what that's called.
Kaylin, give them your review. It was really nice review.
Okay,
The one that you wrote.
okay, hold on. Here's the review. I posted on Instagram. That's on the can story. So here we go. Okay, this is my review. Goosebumps. Beautiful, triumphant, human. Rocket Man captures the search for love so well, painting with vivid colors the beautifully raw life of Sir Elton John. Wow, heart emoji.
Kaylin's really good at writing reviews, apparently.
Apparently.
All right, we'll see
But
that.
only if the movie's good.
Okay, Kaylin. Do you think there's any irony in us standing in the last minute queue when there's nobody there?
Not at all. All I know is if they cut us off here, it'd be so absurd. That over there is the rest of the line, and it's like still 2 hours for the movie to go. And my feet's already quite sore, and it's cold. I feel like I don't know who I am anymore in this line. I've been here for so long. I've lost my identity.
We've been here for an hour.
That's how long it takes for a man to lose his identity. Men don't stand in queues. We are the queues.
You're a queue.
I'm a queue. Real queues. South Africa loves you.
Kaylin.
I need to get it in, man. I need to get it in. You know it's tradition, man. Miles! Woo! Miles! South Africa loves you, Miles!
Okay.
Love yourself!
J'ai pas écrit un nom.
Okay, so me and Yaku just made it in to the premiere, and things are going good. Things are going good. Things are going good. One second. Woo!
Bring this to Cannes because it's a place for film that truly is an art form. And I can now, with this, coexist in a whole new world of opportunities. So, today is year zero. The future is now. Thank you.
That's so good.
He smells like Elvis Presley. South Africa loves him.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, it's Kaylin Yaku.
Let's just before we start address the shoe thing.
Yaku is not wearing any shoes.
No shoes.
We were mugged. That's why we are here.
It's not true. Here are my shoes.
We were mugged by
Also,
Yaku.
we bought umbrellas.
That we didn't use because it didn't rain. 40 euros each for umbrellas that we didn't use.
Hey, it says can, so you know there's something. Also, it did rain for like 5 minutes, like really
It's
hectic.
drizzling now. Let me come this side so you know to switch on.
No, but then it's gonna be awkward because now I have to bend
Let's
it.
come
Like,
back this way then.
whoa, my hair is crazy.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna cut it myself. Anyways, okay. So we just saw
We just saw Too Young to Die Old.
Too Young to Die Old, the first two
Too Old to
episodes.
Die Young.
Damn it! Yes, Too Old to Die. No,
Too Old
Yes.
to Die Young, yeah.
Too Old. That's very confusing. Too Old to Die Young. Just saw it. First two episodes. Nicholas Winding Refn's new series, which he says is year zero. I don't know what that means. Okay, spoiler-free review.
Yes.
First two episodes.
Take this with a pinch of salt because I slept through most of the first episode
Actually, that should tell you everything you need to know.
and even more of the second episode. But yeah, so I didn't understand what was happening. But from what I did see, the visuals was really beautiful. Like it was stunning to watch, and it was beautiful to listen to. But the narrative was just full of like the director's own like love for himself. Basically, it was just too long. Editing was way too slow.
Okay, now for my review. Just don't watch it. Like, honestly, I feel like it's very self-indulgent. He said at the end he wants it to be like a 13-hour movie, which is fine. Like, most of episode 2 was unnecessary. He set something up in the beginning, and then we already hate the people. There's really no reason to do all the other things. When he gets to the end of the episode, it's just not satisfying.
It really isn't.
Okay, and that concludes the spoiler-free review. Hey everybody. Okay, so I learned later, because obviously it's been a while since this thing was filmed, that it wasn't actually episode 1 and 2. It was like episode 5 and 6 or 7 and 8, or something weird like that. So that's why we were so confused, I think. Apparently he wanted, Nicholas Winding Refn wanted it to be a thing where you could just jump in and out whenever you want. So in his mind that works. Clearly it didn't. I haven't watched the rest of this show yet because I don't have an Amazon Prime account and it's on Amazon. So yeah, you guys can go check it out.
I don't know if it's worth it or not. I haven't seen, like I said. Maybe it makes sense in the full show. I don't know. Anyways, I'm just gonna end the vlog here until the next one. Consider subscribing. The film's going really well, like I said. The first one is premiering on the 10th of January. Isn't that exciting? So yeah, subscribe, do the bell thing so you don't miss that film. But also so you don't miss the vlog. I think there's a couple of very funny things coming through. Alright, see you in the next one.